Are you tired of spending hours struggling to write, design, and format ebooks only to see slow results? What if you could publish professional ebooks and audiobooks in any niche with zero writing or design skills and start earning quickly? Meet eBook Valet, the AI-powered platform that does all the heavy lifting for you. Just enter your topic, pick your language, and let the advanced artificial intelligence engine instantly write, design, and format your ebook. You can even use the built-in editor to tweak anything you want, or simply let eBook Valet handle everything automatically. With instant audiobook conversion, you can reach even more audiences with just one click. Monetize fast by adding affiliate links and calls to action directly inside your ebooks. Plus, create content in over 90 languages, making it perfect for tapping into global markets. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned marketer, eBook Valet is your shortcut to publishing success. You will also get exclusive bonuses, including commercial rights to resell your ebooks and audiobooks and keep 100% of the profits, step-by-step Amazon Kindle Direct publishing training, and over a dozen done-for-you ebooks with ready-made email follow-up sequences. There are no hidden back-end costs. eBook Valet covers all artificial intelligence expenses for you. For a very limited time, grab eBook Valet at a massive 73% launch discount. This is your chance to automate your publishing and start profiting fast. Do not wait. Secure your access now before the price goes up.